right, now before going on a hike, it might be useful to find a partner or a community, because when you have a partner or a community, you have some accountability. Like, you guys are going to agree to go on a hike on a certain day or a certain frequency, and that will kind of force you to get outside a little bit more. Also, if you're with other people, you have a certain amount of safety. So if something happens, heaven forbid, you got someone there to help you out. And also, it facilitates some creativity, because a lot of times it's kind of hard to figure out where it is you want to go hike. But if you both get together, or you get together with a group of people, or you're part of a meetup group, then you'll probably have some ideas for some places that you wouldn't have had on your own. So some really great places to link up with people. Again, Meetup would be an awesome place. We love our SHT community. You can basically search for someone in your local geographical area, and then just ask them if they want to be a hiking partner or buddy, or find a hike and see if they want to go with you. Also, the gym is a great place to find partners, depending on where you are. We also love the idea of solitary walks and solitary hikes, as long as you're well-versed and you feel safe and protected. But again, having other people involved is going to help you with accountability and safety, and getting a little bit more creative with where you want to go.